I'm down here making my coffee and realize there's been an Easter basket massacre. Scarlett snuck down in the middle of the night and stole all of her treat eggs, opened every single one while we were all sleeping on the living room floor.
Come here. Come here. Come here. What is this? Come here. Nope, come here. Scarlett, come here. What is this? Come here. Come here, baby. Come here.
She says, "I'm sorry, Daddy."
What is this? Scarlett, why are all these eggs open? Why are all these eggs open?
What did you do?
Did you come down in the night and did you open all of your eggs?
She's a sneaky
You opened
girl.
all of your eggs? Now we have to fill your eggs again.
Her
You
whole
naughty little
basket.
puppy.
There's
You naughty little
no
puppy.
more
Yeah.
eggs left
Come here.
with treats in them.
Yeah, I can't believe you did that, you naughty little girl. You can get it, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, get it. Get your egg. Hey, get it. Get it.
Gosh, I'm pretty sure I got a stretch.
You get the egg now. Oh, now you're gonna pretend you don't know how to do it?
She acts scared.
Daddy. Oh my gosh.
The bunny?
Scarlett, did you kill the Easter bunny
Did you kill the Easter bunny?
and steal all its dog treats? She would never do that. Only its 9 babies.
Oh yeah. Just like Trip.
Because she can't catch the Easter bunny.
Yeah.